Hello, welcome to ISE 2020. This is Ilyas from Taiden. I'm project manager of the EMEA region. So today I want to highlight two of our latest innovations. The first one is our 4th generation paperless. So as you can see, the screen is really gorgeous. We have updated with some of the latest technology, anti-fingerprint technology, and it features now two different sizes, the 14-inch display that we have here, and we have also a 10-inch display. As you can see, we have the voting buttons, we have some channel selection and also volume buttons here on the side. And we've added also Braille for visually impaired people. We have here the volume and the channel selection on the side, so one unit can be used by two delegates for different language selections. We've added also hotkeys for videos. For example, this is shortcut. If I want to go and see the VGA channel, I can just press with one key and it takes me right to that assigned video source. If I go back here, the interface is pretty much the same than previous generations. So we have the microphone control, we have intercom, which allows you to communicate with another delegate via text chat or video chat. You can have voting, you can have simultaneous interpretation with two shortcuts here. You can see the languages and you can also adjust the volume with the right knob. The other one is lecture for speeches. You have multimedia, it's for video and for pictures and sharing them. Paperless, as you can see here, which is the name of the unit, so you can select whatever document you want, from Excel to PowerPoint to PDF, for example, here, and I can open directly right from the unit using USB or another source of uploading. And as you can see, I have my video, and now we've added also shortcut video to share my screen to all the other screens. So I can, for example, I'm editing this document, I can go here, take a marker, I can highlight whatever I want to show, and everybody else is seeing it in real time. What do we have? Service. If you want to ask about anything, like if you need water, a pencil, that can come directly to your seat. We have also camera, VOD, up to 10 channels, and all the other functions we just highlighted. So next, I want to go to the e-ink nameplate we just introduced. And these two units were both designed specifically for the UN project for the Room 19 that we've successfully finished lately. So what we've done now, we've completely redesigned our first generation nameplate. So now it's linked also to the unit. So whatever I do on my paperless unit, if I open the microphone, it mirrors everything that's happened here on the nameplate. So it's for better visibility, and the screen is much larger on the new nameplate. You can have it either in standalone mode, or you can link it also with the paperless unit. So thank you, and if you want to know more about our products, please visit our website at www.taiden.com. Thank you.